Hi, second grade. Welcome to Phonics and Spelling. Today is Monday, January 25th, 2021. Notice how I used abbreviations in today's date. Instead of writing out Monday, I wrote MON with a capital M and a period. Same thing with January. I abbreviated it, capital J and a period. Now today we are this week we are focusing on verbs. Remember, verbs are action words, and we'll be specifically focusing on when we add these endings to words, ed or ing. Now these are called suffixes. Suffixes are when we take a base word and then we add other letters to the end of it to change the word. So, for example, a base word is talk. That's something I'm doing right now. So if I was saying this word in a sentence, this action in a sentence, I would say, I am talking. So I would have to add an ing. In black, I have talk. That's my base word. But then I add this suffix ing, and it turns that verb into a verb that shows that it's happening right now. Now, what if I was saying I use the same word, talk, but I want to say it in the past tense, like tell you about something that I talked about last week. We would still have the same base word, but our different suffix this time would be ed. So base word, talk, that's our verb, and our suffix, that ending that we add to change the meaning of it, to now this time say that it's past tense, is ed, talked. So again, when we add ing, that's showing that it's happening right now. These, we can call them happening verbs. So sometimes, like when I said talk, we might just add ing. That's all. But other times there might be other rules. So one that we're going to really focus on this week, sorry, it's pretty blurry. It says, if the verb has a short vowel and ends in a consonant, remember consonants are all the letters that are not vowels, double the last letter, then add ing. So when it says double the last letter, that means we add an extra one of those, the letters. So there's other rules, but that's the one that we're really going to focus on this week. Now for ed, like I said before, these are past tense verbs. They happened in the past. In my first example with talked, I just added ed. But we're also going to talk about this week when we double that last letter, then add ed. Now, right now, please take out your planner and turn to page 69. That way you can follow along with this video to write the words as I go over them. Planner, page 69. Running, running. Notice we have the base word, run, and that's a short vowel with a consonant. So we have to double that last letter and put an extra N before we put the ending ing. Running. The dog is running. Hopping. Hopping. The bunny is hopping. Again, hop is our base word. It's a short vowel and ends in a consonant, so we have to double the consonant and then add ing to show that it's happening right now. Selling. Base word sell, and this time those consonants are already doubled. That's a part of the base word. So all we have to do is add ing. Girl Scouts are selling cookies right now. Cutting. Cutting. Cut is our base word. It has a short vowel and then a consonant, so we have to double the last consonant and then add our ing ending. Cutting. He is cutting the paper in half. Sitting. Base word sit. It has a short vowel and then a consonant, so we have to double the consonant and then add ing to show that it's happening now. He is sitting up straight. Clapped. Clapped. Notice now we have a different ending. So we have our base word clap. Just like before, we have to double that last consonant, so add another P before we add our ending, ed. And notice that this ed, we pronounce it like a T. We hear clapped, clapped. Dumbledore clapped for the students. Stopped, stopped. Stop is our base word. It has a short vowel and then a consonant. Double the consonant, the last consonant, and add that ed ending to show that it happened in the past. The car stopped at the light. Notice that this ed sounds different than the last one. Stopped. Batted, batted. Bat is our base word. Double the consonant. Add that ed ending to show that it happened in the past. He batted the ball to me. Pinned, pinned. Pin is the base word. Double the consonant. Add the ed ending. I pinned a flower on my dress. Happened in the past. Rubbed, rubbed. Rub is our base word. Double that last consonant. Add a ed ending. And now we have rubbed. I rubbed the soap on my hands. Missed, missed. Our base word is miss. The consonants are already doubled in the base word. It does not end with a vowel then a consonant. Instead, it has two consonants. So we leave it as it is, and we add that ed ending. Missed. He missed the bus. Last word, grabbed. Grab is our base word. We have to double the consonant, add the ed ending, and now we have the past tense. She grabbed a slice of pizza. Okay, to review, these are suffixes, letters that we add to the end of words to change the meaning. Ed is added to make a word past tense, a verb past tense, and ing is added to show that it's happening right now. These are added to verbs, action words. Please make sure you write these spelling words in your planner on page 69. Check to make sure they're spelled correctly, and then highlight over the ed or ing endings. Thank you, second grade.